Hey, what's up, guys? Mike here with How I Etsy, and I wanted to make this video today sharing you a little tip that has helped me increase my sales pretty drastically. But before I get into that, I just want to share with you that I am offering coaching. It's a Fiverr gig that I have. I'll put the link in the description. It's a new gig, so I'm trying to get it some traction. It's only $5 for an hour, so a pretty good deal. And basically, we'll just go over your shop, how I can help you improve your photos, branding, listings, tags, descriptions, ads. Go over your whole shop, critique it, and try and help you as best as possible. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description. If not, it's all good. And let's get into the video. Um, so the tip that I have revolves sales that you do. So I used to do a sale every month, and I do it for 30 days from the first of the month to the end of the month. And I was doing that for like a few months, and I started to notice a little trend that at the end of every month, on the 30th or the 31st, I would end up getting like almost double the amount of sales that I would usually get on a regular day. And I was, that's kind of weird. And so I started checking, and I noticed that on the last day of my sale, on my sales page, there would be a little countdown timer in green saying, this sale ends in 2 hours or 1 hour or in 30 minutes. And what I was realizing is that was motivating people to purchase because they had the fear of loss. They were afraid that they're going to miss out on a deal if they didn't purchase it right then and there. So what I've been doing now, which has helped my sales increase a lot, is I do a sale every day. Now it's kind of annoying if you have a lot of listings, a lot of products, and a lot of sections. Because when I first did this, I set it up for the whole month. I did a sale every day for 30 days, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. So now the way that I do it is I just do it for 5 days. So I'll do a sale every day for 5 days. And then, so from the 1st to the 5th, for example. And then once the 5th hits, I know that I need to do my sales again, and so I'll set them up from the 5th to the 10th. That way I don't kind of burn myself out. But what that's going to do is that when people search for whatever, keyword or whatever, some people search with the filter what's on sale. And when they click on that, you're going to show up, every time. And when they click on your listing, you're going to have that countdown timer. All right, and that's going to motivate people to purchase because, like I said, they're going to be afraid that if they don't purchase right now, they're going to miss out on the deal. Now, little do they know that the sale is going to be there tomorrow, but they don't know that. So, that's a great way to increase your sales. A little trick that I've been doing, and I'm going to continue doing that because it's one of the main reasons why have improved my sales. So give that a try. You can try it out for like 5 days. Like I said, do a sale every day for 5 days. And actually, I can just show you how you do it real quick. It's pretty easy. So you just go to marketing, sales and coupons, new special offer, run sale. You want to do percentage off, and then you can pick whatever here. I like to do 20%. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pick, I already have them set up, so I'm going to have to do a different, let's see, let's just pick a random date. Let's do the May the 13th, and you're going to want to do May the 13th. So it's a 24-hour sale, all right? And you're going to want to set up a bunch of these in a row, so the 13th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, etc. And then you can just put whatever code you want down here, and then just hit continue. And then you're going to add all your listings, all your sections. I recommend that you have all your products in sections, and that way you can just, when you do these sales, you can just add your sections to the sale and just hit continue, and then your sale will be live. So I'm just going to cancel out of that. So yeah, that's just a quick little tip on how you can increase your sales. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll try and help you out. And again, if you're interested in my coaching, I'll have a link in the description. It's a Fiverr gig. It's only $5 for an hour. Now, since it's a new gig, I'm just trying to get some traction. So eventually, I'm going to bump the price up. Eventually, once I get some reviews and some sales, I'm going to bump it up to probably like $60. So if you want to get in on a good deal now, it depends when you're watching this video, but hopefully you can give it a try. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.